The government started a number of digital initiatives in 2013 with the lemma "Doing More with Digital." As a result, today those initiatives have led to offer opportunities for development of citizens, enterprises and the educational system in Ireland. During this workshop, we also review the use case of modern data analytics at the Department of Justice. The National Digital Strategy in its first phase launched a number of digital initiatives for business and enterprise, citizens, and school and education. Business and enterprise initiatives include an online voucher scheme which offered digital training and advice with financial assistance for many companies in Ireland. In this context, the Digital Hub is the largest cluster of digital media, technology and internet business in Ireland with currently over 89 companies. Over 200 companies have progressed, generating over 2,000 jobs in Ireland, such as Destilled Media Group or Havoc, a gaming company, Cavalier, a media production company, and MTT, a machine tools technology company. The National Digital Research Centre is an organization which mission is to create globally scalable companies in the digital sector. The National Digital Research Centre invests at a very early stage using an accelerator model. It provides capital and hands-on support to young Irish companies. Let's review a few other initiatives. Getting citizens online. The Web Accessibility Programme. The Irish Postal Sector. The Emergency Call Service. And the Digital Agenda for Europe. Getting citizens online. A few years back, 1 of 7 adults living in Ireland had never used internet. There was a push required by the government to facilitate internet infrastructure and make the web accessible for more citizens. The Web Accessibility Programme. This is about making the content of Ireland's websites as accessible as possible to all, including people with disabilities. The EU Directive of 2016 states that public sector websites and mobile applications must achieve specific accessibility standards under Irish law enforcement. The Irish Postal Sector. Another national initiative was around maintaining effective policy for Irish postal sector to ensure high quality of postal services. The Eircode is Ireland's national postcode system. Capita Business Support Services Ireland are trading as Eircode, and they were awarded a 10-year contract in December 2013. The contract includes the development, implementation, maintenance and promoting the use of the Eircode. The Emergency Call Service. This key initiative has also improved the quality of emergency call answering service. Emergency Call Answering Service is responsible for answering all 112 and 999 calls to the emergency services in Ireland. Last but not least, the Digital Agenda for Europe is one of 7 flagship initiatives under the Europe 2020 strategy. It focuses on modern technologies and online services that allow Europe to create jobs and promote economic prosperity. It aims to improve the daily lives of EU citizens and companies in a variety of ways. Successful delivery and implementation of the Digital Agenda for Europe in Ireland is a government priority. In more recent years, Fede Nolasco, founder of Data Tunnel, partnered with Evros Technology Group to implement a modern data solution at the Department of Justice. The Data Research and Analytics Unit of the Department of Justice was seeking for a better analytics process to deal with the immense number of data sources and reports. A business case for modern data analytics was submitted to management and signed off in 2018. In 2019, Fede led the design and implementation of a modern data lake. The data sources come from dispersed origins, including databases such as DB2, Lotus Notes, SQL or file repositories. The back-end infrastructure of the data lake included a dedicated file share for data analytics, a SQL cluster, a number of data connectors, as well as all PCs were equipped with all required data analytics software and access security controls. The internal team received training to familiarize with new data management standards and agile project management tools. The R software is the tool chosen by the department for discrete and advanced analytics. FEDE also designed a custom R library to repurpose repetitive functions across many apps, saving therefore many development hours. Today, a data catalog and a data dictionary control the scope of data lineage, datasets, reports, snapshots, and analytics projects. The internal team and new staff members are in a continuous training program to familiarize with all features from the data lake, including R training, SQL training, scheduling, data monitoring, and overall data lake maintenance tasks. In summary, here are the key achievements. After 1.5 years of work in progress, the team automated many datasets and reports, serving up analytics and statistics to over 30 organizations, including statutory reporting requirements to Irish and European organizations. From the current data catalog, 58% of all requirements have been automated, offering time savings from in between 80% to 98%. The internal team is able to focus on core job activities and less on data preparation, cleaning, and validation. However, there are still a number of data governance challenges to overcome, like in many other organizations we worked with. Therefore, the new ICT strategy at the department will further centralize data tasks to serve a wider range of customers with, in addition, better governance and data quality control overall. We have summarized the work of Irish government initiatives over the last few years. In addition, we shared in the excellent use case of modern data analytics. If you need support with modern data solutions, please feel free to connect with Fede Nolasco, founder of Data Tunnel. We'll see you in our next workshop.